What's that?
It's a reading swag bracelet. That means I read so good I can read my dad to sleep.
Man, that's nothing. I can read my mom and dad to sleep.
Y'all might think y'all are swag, but no one has as much swag as my Uncle Swaggy.
That's right, youngins. Swag.
Now that's swag! This book says Peter lives at Lake Erie. Let's go and find him.
That's a great idea.
Let's go see. Doesn't that look like Crash over there?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, it does.
This is a great book.
I know it is.
I agree.
Me too.
Swag.
A Bird's Tale is available now at Walden Pond Bookstore, Amazon.com, and abirdstale.com. And stay on top of your reading game by purchasing your Reading Swag bracelet today.